I'm Sakshana.
And I'm Sanaya.
Today our team project is Skillverse, a AI learning app.
Skillverse is very useful because students learn by doing, not just by reading. Through virtual labs, students can try real experiments through phones or computers.
From wherever in India, people can access Skillverse for virtual labs and other requirements.
Students from villages and cities get equal opportunities for learning, and it also supports girls and students from rural areas to join innovation challenges and internships.
It is a bridge between rural and urban areas which connect equal modern learning for all the places around India. We can see that labs in Skillverse, they actually have a lot of fun games and futuristic learning.
Innovation reflect without hands-on experience in cutting cannot develop the problem solving or through breakthrough innovation that's position India as a global.
Within 2047, if we need a self-reliant India, we have to make all the youth generation study well and have good knowledge.
Students can learn from Skillverse through many languages, not just through English.
Students can connect with their mentors and have peer coaching, and this can improve their grades and marks.
Students get a digital certificate after completing a course.
And for making things easier, we actually have all the courses in games as well as fun prepared challenges.
Students can build robots, renewable energy, and etc.
And the customers for our app is school age and college students and vocational learners and upskillers, industry sector partners, and institutional partners.
Skillverse is designed to serve all the 28 states and the union territories.
First, experience Skillverse, the learning journey. First, students will go through and log in the module selection, and then they do all the immersive lab experience where students use VR and AI powered simulators. And after that, students will get mentor support and collaboration. They can also do peer coaching with their friends. Next, they will have a certificate or a reward after they complete each course or lesson. Next, the real world impact projects. Here, students will go through real life examples and go for certifications.
Skillverse is not just an app, it's a platform to support students to become confident, creative, and knowledgeable.
The technical architecture of for national scale is in software and platform infrastructure. We use AI learning engine, VR content library, cloud infrastructure, mentor portal, and analytics dashboard. And in hardware and device capability, we use mobile first design, tablet and laptop support, VR headset optional, low bandwidth optimization. And for the features, they have across all kinds of languages, including whatever you comfortable with. And for internet optimized with offline capabilities, so if you don't have internet also, you can access our app Skillverse for voice narration and visual learning models, which aligns with interactive solutions.
So we have premium model and B2B and B2G learn license. When you get it, when you complete a massive scale competitions, and you get content license and partnerships.
Join Skillverse building Atmanitha Bharat 2047. Thank you,
Buildathon.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, Bharat,
for this opportunity.